Okay, so this science experiment is showing how atoms are more active in hot water than in cold water. And we're going to prove that theory by using hot water, which is this container, and then cold water, which is in this container. And you can tell this is cold water because it's fogging up down there. So it's gonna move, it should move around more in here.
Trying to get a good angle. Oh, there we go. When you're, can you move so that the sunlight hits the bowl? There we go.
Definitely looks like it's moving around more in the hot water.
Oh, I didn't even see that you had put it in the cold.
The cold water.
Yeah, you can see the cold water isn't.
The cold water, it's already like sunk to the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
And in the hot water, it's mixing.
Wow. Interesting. Oh, I actually am getting it, like it moving. You can see the food coloring swirling, whereas in the cold, you cannot. Do you have anything else that you want to add?
Nope.